Let's go over the top flow of the day. Number one, Run. They bought the May 5th puts and the May monthly puts. Sunrun is a solar company with Enphase getting its booty crushed today. The solar stocks are down. And they bought the, I believe it was the 20.5 puts, not in front of the computer, obviously. And they bought some May 19 puts, the monthly ones there. They bought them at 155. I tried getting filled at 160, never got filled. And then, whoop, they were at 180 plus. So they moved, they had a nice move as the stock went from negative 6% to down 9%, just like that on the put buyer. Sometimes you're a little too late, and sometimes that little too late could be a matter of 5-10 seconds. And volatility obviously had a big spike as name does not see a lot of put activity, and then obviously volatility increasing as shares were moving lower, and Enphase, another solar company, moved lower too. First solar down, all the solar names getting its butt crushed today. So we'll look to get in ahead of earnings, though. Maybe the shares bounce back, so I'm going to wait till this afternoon if we get a little relief rally. Data dog, the dirty dog. Seeing the weekly 73 calls. These calls went from like 133 to 160 in a flash. I couldn't get filled in these either this morning. Hence why I'm driving to get food, because I'm just like, hey, sometimes you don't get filled and gotta walk away instead of get frustrated. They bought the weekly 65 calls yesterday, a little over $1. Those calls are over $6 today. So that trader turned, I forgot the premium outlay. I think it was over 100K. Basically turned $100 to over $600 overnight, or that trader making a cool $500,000, $500,000 overnight in the dirty dog, data dog, DDOG. Woo! They probably mentioned, probably correlated with Microsoft earnings. Microsoft mentioned AI 1,000 times. Datadog, maybe they're getting into AI. Every time you hear AI, take a shot, and I guarantee you'll be drunk like that, because that's the new buzzword is AI, artificial intelligence. All right. I'm only giving you two today because, quite frankly, you're just seeing a lot of Tesla put buying momentum as shares move to the downside. And the name of the game is earnings. Get locked, loaded, ready to trade this afternoon. And you got Meta with earnings after the bell. So really, it's just all earnings. Everything else, I mean, you see the NASDAQ up 100 today. The S&P and down are basically flat. It's all single stock moves with earnings. That's the name of the game. Single out the events trade in the afternoon, or if you can get filled in the morning, unlike me, that's where the opportunity is. I'm out.